people? Hey, just getting up in the morning, man. See, it's early in the AM. You see, I still got my things on my head. Y'all people know about the long hair. You gotta put on your bonnet. You know, if I'm saying it right, my wife got me this thing. But, yo, man, you finna get on the Harley, man. Change this on real tire on this Harley. And I'm gonna show y'all, man, step by step. Man, Harley trying to charge me $500, man. Y'all got me bent, cuz. Nah, man, ain't going like that. So I do my own stuff. $500? Nope. I ain't doing it. But yeah, let me get to it, man. I'm gonna get right back at you. Hey, first thing y'all wanna do, take y'all saddlebags off. Y'all know what saddlebags is. If y'all got speakers while it ran through mine, just went ahead and took that through. Then you wanna pop this side cover off too, cause you gotta remove this brake caliper. Then after y'all remove y'all saddlebags, remove y'all pipes. I'll go ahead and remove them. I just said that twice. Boy, it sounded crazy hell this morning. But yeah, go ahead and remove your pipes on both sides. I just did both sides. Man, it look like it finna rain on me. But yeah, now I'm finna tackle this doggone brake caliper. YouTube, let me get that off, man. And I'm gonna get back at you. Yeah, I think this is an 8 Allen wrench with a socket. I can't see it. But yeah, this is an 8 right here. Got some doggone electric tools, but yeah, I don't want to wake everybody up still early. This stuff really simple, man. Like, these dealerships be charging so much damn money. Don't make no sense. There you go. Then put that to the side. Try not to scratch your stuff up like I'm doing. Yeah, I'll just lay it right there. Get you like a little bag or something, man. Slide up in there. Probably see a good angle at that. Yeah, what y'all do, what I'ma do, is this tab right here, I'm gonna mark for my belt. So I can know where it go at when I put it back on. Hey, good morning, how you doing? Then do the other side. Yeah, but that's it. And I had to run the Harbor Freight, man. Give me some tools. Got this right here. And I got another one for the other side. Heavy duty. Hey, Harbor Freight, that's the store, man. Good enough for me. But yeah, man, let me get this bolt off. I'm gonna get back at you. And then I put my jack up under there. Under that frame. Y'all hear me grunting and stuff, I don't care, everything tight. There you go. Get over here. Here got my Afro Thunder out, you see it. You see it. Hey, for real though. Hey, y'all men, man, like working on little side stuff like this, man. Hey, invest in some tools, man. Don't gotta be no high brand tools. All this stuff cheap. Pittsburgh. Everything cheap I got. I ain't gonna say everything, but you know, man, invest in some tools for real. Go a long way with it, man. Instead of begging people for crap. But yeah, let's get back to this right here, man. Got my little rubber hammer, whatever you want to call it. Pull that clip out the way, put that over here. Out the way. I have to get like a hole puncher or something. Let me see what I can use. I use this regular screwdriver anyway. Use this side. Y'all see it drop. Might have to lift it up and go on the other side. Man, come on, man. I know it goes under that ball. This right here went in the inside of that right there. Like that. Not a belt part. Push the top forward. Should have come on off. There you go. Then just leave it right there. The bike should be high enough. Look at that. Gone. Alright, y'all, got this doggone tire on, man. Broke it down and everything myself and took it to the top plate so they can shoot some air in it. Put 42 pounds in it. And, yeah, that's a top, man. Shinko. Like $134 on eBay. A lot of people put good reviews on it. They get up to like 10,000 miles. I ain't no heavy ride anyway, man. I just joyride, so that tire worked for me. Heavy riders, man, they got a bunch of reviews on there too saying they got over 10,000 miles. So, hey, try it out, man. Like I say, you won't know until you try it out yourself. So, yeah, let me get this stuff back together, man. You see how I got it? When I lift it up, slide it under there in the middle. You ready? Go. You gotta do both on. Go. there. Look. Right here. Put them on there. You ready? Go. That joke was tight. Hey, let me go get my torque wrench. You two be back. Yeah, my people got this thing all put back together. Man, I did put a couple scratches on my tire right there on my rim. I ain't worried about that. I'm getting the rear rim anyway, but I didn't have no edge protectors, but that's the only little spot I got right there. All the rest of it good. But yo, man, same way y'all took it off, man, same way y'all put it on. And y'all seen the part where I put the blocks up under there and then let the jack down so it can line up with the hole. That's the best way to line it up instead of trying to lift it up and do it by yourself. That's hard, bro. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all today. Hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know your boy out of here. Can be back with another one. Holla.